What's going on, everybody? Today we're gonna work on a texture top, texture fringe, create shape in the back, and a burst taper on the side. First, you want to section off all your panels, the top panel, the two side panel, and the back panel. We'll start in the back and we'll try to create some weight by cutting at this 45 degree, and we'll transfer it to the rest of the panel. Next, we'll connect the back panel to the side panel by using block cutting. I'm also using block cutting because I want to create and retain some weight, and I'm creating this weight line in the shape of the burst taper. So I'm combing and I'm gripping to make sure I have a tight pull, and then I'll cut to create this burst taper line. And now I'm taking down with a number 2 up to the weighted line that I just created. And here I'll start on the burst taper from 0. Next, using just the corner of my trimmer, I'll cut in the C-cup. And as you can see, the weighted line is very defined. Now we'll work on the fringe. I'll section off a strip, and then I'll again comb, grip, pull down, and cut to create a very prominent line. And now, using the line that I just created, I will then transfer it to the top panel, and from the top all the way to the back of the head. And I'm making sure that every strip of this section is cut at the same length all the way to the back of the head. And because it's all the same length, naturally, because the head is round, this section will be round, following the curvature of the head. And after I cut this strip in, I will then transfer it to the rest of the top panel. And so after doing that, I will then pull some section to texture cut, to point cut, to add some texture to the top. Again, I'm just pulling sections and then point cutting to add texture to the fringe. I'm also just messing it up just to see how it naturally falls. I'll cut, mess it up, and analyze it to see how it falls, to see whether or not I want to add more. And so here it is, the finished work. A textured top, burst taper on the side, and I created a round shape in the back because the client did have more of a flat head in the back. Thank you so much.